Hey guys, it's Roma. I'm going to be showing you how to clean your phone, so let's get started. So first of all, you're going to take it apart like I already did it. Just going to take it apart easily and gently. So this is easier to wash because it's rubber. So I'm just going to take it under the water and just get some soap. Don't leave it under there long, just kind of, I'd recommend this or just Dawn or something, really. Wouldn't ruin the phone, it's just if you have rubber, then it'll kind of ruin it. So it's never a good thing when you ruin your phone. So now you're just going to kind of rinse it and wash it. Put it under the water again. You don't want to leave the soap on it because it doesn't bother it, but when you put your phone back in it, then it's probably going to ruin it, you know. So. Rinse it out. Okay, you're just going to set it aside. And then I'm going to take this one. It's kind of harder, but it's okay. You can still wash it. Kind of rinse it off. You know, like you did with the scrubby one. Just kind of rinse it off. Mine has a scratch on it if you're wondering that little thing is. It's a scratch. I thought it was just food, but obviously it was a scratch. So, guys, you don't want to scratch your phone. Okay? That's a very bad thing. See what I'm talking about? If you're wondering what I was talking about, then that's it. If you have, then you can take it to one of the phone repairs. They fixed my phone. My phone was broken for a little while because I have dropped it in water. I know, guys, I'm kind of silly, but that's life. And so, kind of looks like, and then you're going to wash it with a little bit of soap. A little bit more soap, because that one takes a lot of cleaning, because that's what mostly is about. Okay, and then you're going to go get this. It's the cover where you, the little deal, like that. And then the little button. Guys, you all know that, but I'm just telling you, showing you. Okay? You just, this thing is kind of easier to wash, but kind of harder to dry it off, though, because it has these little points. Right here, kind of hard to wash off. So, don't need to put much soap on it because it's just kind of skinny and stuff, so it's kind of hard to wash it. And plus, that thing doesn't really get dirty really unless you drop it in the mud or something, but really, well, you get money for it and get wet. Guys, don't worry about that kind of stuff. I mean, you know, that's not that bad. And so, it's just kind of this, and finally this. Now guys, if you think that your phone's falling apart, guys, you're wrong. It's just, that's normal. But if it's like a phone like my mom's, it's stuck together, then that's a bad thing. That's a very bad thing if it falls apart like that. But maybe you can fix it, maybe. I sort of doubt you can fix the phone case, but they might. Some pro experts, they might, but I don't know about that. I think they can't, but, and so I'm just gonna take and get one piece of it and just kind of go over here and just kind of wipe it off. I just got a towel. You can even use a rag, maybe. Toilet paper, guys, wouldn't work so good. A paper towel might work. I think a towel would use it a little bit better, and it's just your phone case, so you can use it in. If you're real picky like me, then I wouldn't want to, but guys, if you're not picky, then just use it. I mean, you know. But guys, you know when you can use a towel or not. So this is rubbery. This is the one I'm washing, so you can just kind of do like that. You're gonna still dry it off, but then you're just kind of flop it around. like if I was like to do a pillowcase, just kind of wipe it off like that. Okay, and it's pretty dry now, but you still kind of want to make sure that way it's not ruining your phone, because you wouldn't want to ruin your phone, guys. I know from personal experience that you don't want to ruin your phone. So, okay, this is pretty easy to wash or dry off. It's kind of hard, but it's kind of easy too. So just kind of put it aside, put the things that you already washed aside, okay, and just kind of, this is pretty easy too. The inside's kind of hard because, you know, you have to get in there. There's little things around it, so it's kind of hard, but guys, you'll live through it. Just kind of wipe it off. Okay, and that's all to it. Bye. See you on my next video.